Hi guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to another BMW X3 video. So what we're doing today is basically forgetting to video it. That's the first thing. But the second thing is we have a very broken window regulator. Okay, I'm going to try and run through what you do basically to fit it. Obviously I've already fitted it, so I'm not taking it back out again. BMW want £375 for this part. I got it off eBay for 70 quid or £75, something like that. So basically, first of all, you've got to take the door card off. I'll show you as I put it back on. I'll do the reverse, obviously, so you can see how that happens.
It's an aftermarket part.
Yeah, it is an aftermarket part. So let's get into it. So when you've taken the door card off, you have to take this speaker off. Little plug in here, take the plug out, undo 3 T20s, take the speaker out, that's fine. Then we've got one, am I pointing at these or not? How far close am I getting? See if we can, that's better. Right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 mils. The 2 top 10 mils you don't need to take off. You can just leave them, just undo them and loosen them and then they guide back in. These 3 you do take off. This one's changed the motor. These 2, obviously, the bottom half of... Can you just pass me that, love? Well, you don't pass it in there, put it on there. It's those bottom nuts there, look. Okay. See, the old one's very ruined. Unplug the motor, because this 10mm holds the motor in. Pull it out, and then when you drop the window down,
In our case, it was already down.
yeah. The aftermarket one fits with these 2 10mm. The original fits with them. So when you go to take it out, all you need to do is push in there somewhere. You'll see where to push and it will release the window. Okay, so that is it in a nutshell, if I'm honest. Absolutely it. So what we'll do now, I'll let Tess grab hold of the camera and we'll go through just putting the door card on for you. I do feel the pump, the motor could do with changing, if I'm honest, but leave that for another day. It's working. So let me think before I completely cock everything up. One of the door card. So what I did was I released the latch, which is a door. No, it's not. That's it. Can't believe it's plastic. Just hook it back in there, so hook's over there, hook it back in there, make sure you've got your lock mechanism. Oh Jesus, killing everything. What we're going to do, line it up. I said line it up like I didn't release it into. Make sure you get the top in. Right, these are T20s. By the way, you take the motor off. You take the actual motor off itself, the window motor, the T25s. So you've got one T20 there. I'm just doing that to hold this. Has that gone right up like it should? Yep. They're all knocked back in, so we have That T20 in there, just in front of the handle. And if you've got the same model as this, which is an F25, you've got a little cover there. We've then got two that go in at an angle down here. That
seem quite awkward.
yeah, they go in at an angle. Make sure you get your angle right. Right, on an original, there's just a little, behind the handle, there's a little plate goes in there. On ours, the handle went all hinky. Didn't it, babe?
Yeah, we changed it, didn't we?
So we put another aftermarket thing in. So, those two on. Lovely! Here's the new handly thing that we bought from, oh, you know what I haven't done? I can put that in. I'll show you how to remove it now.
Rewind.
I thought it was going too easy. Everybody makes mistakes. So what I haven't done is put the membrane back in, because I'm hooping. Luckily I have the ability to edit.
Not bad for a virgin duck.
No, I've never done one of these before, guys, ever. And I can say, if I'm honest, they're not that difficult. Pop that out. I got all excited then. So the removal of the door card is as follows. Two T20s under here, two T20s in there, one T20 in here, and it's all gravy. Get yourself one of these, guys.
What does that tool do then?
It's a reverse and it just takes door panels off.
Alright.
Just like that. Right, pull that out, unhook that. And there we go.
Quite sticky that one, Ada.
It's supposed to be.
Oh. Nope.
Yep. Oh, yes, yes, yes. There we go. It's like I never forgot it. Isn't it? Refitting is the same as removal, only the opposite.
You got your thing hanging out.
Oh, yeah. Hang on. See, sometimes it pays to have somebody around that knows what they're doing.
Not me.
Get your door locking. Get your door locking.
It's some welly.
Tool not required for reassemble. Round two.
Putting your things in at an angle.
And this one's pretty squared up.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, fairly square that one. Oh, I forgot the piece of wood as well. Not putting that back. To be fair, guys, we had Tez was out and about and she took this in to a garage. I'm not saying which garage because it's unfair. They're shit. And they've broken about 4 clips on the door. Wasn't impressed.
But they did what we...
Just wanted it secure because the window had obviously dropped to the bottom of the door. So Tez wanted it to be secure. So I was at work and unavailable.
Quoted £90.
Only charged you 40, so we've
Only charged me 40.
we've got £50 to buy the new clips with.
I was quite happy
Right guys,
with...
yeah, we bought one of these just off eBay. Literally just goes in, you take that, there's a little panel there, you take it out, you put this in, clicks in, no more hinas.
Job's a good one.
Okay, right, can I just move you?
What's she take? Too late.
Yeah, well. These go in at a slight angle.
The bottom of the door closed.
Like I said guys, there's 2 at the bottom and again they're T20s. So any of you this has happened to, or even if your motor is not great, you can do this yourself. What time is it, sweetheart?
10.
Is it 10? It's 10 if it is. Eh?
An hour?
No, I've taken 2 hours if it's 10 o'clock. I started at 8.
Hours labour, free labour.
Yeah. And there we have it. We'll get some window cleaner, clean the window, and we're done.
Does it work? Oh yes. Oh yeah. Well done, man.
Like I say, the motor's tired. I think that was just because of that. Reset it. To reset these, you just go up and down a few times. And it should work automatically. There you go guys, just a quick video just to show you. It's not something you have to take to BMW, considering they want about 500 odd quid to do it.
That's it.
That's it.